All right, so what's going on? So first, I definitely need to get Betsy cleaned. Second, let's talk about some roadway courtesy. All right, if you're one of these people, I'm not sad to say you're an asshole. The far left lane is not a drive equal speed as the person in the right middle lane. Far left lane is a pass lane, period, or fastest traffic, flow of traffic rules, okay? We in the far left lane, we're taking a chance of getting a ticket. We know this. We don't give a shit. Why don't you get your ass over in the right lane and go that speed? If you want to go 70, go 70 in the right lane. If you want to go 65, 55, do that shit in the far right lanes. Don't get in the far left lane. I'm not gonna call it a fast lane because that's a controversy. And fucking go the speed limit and slow everybody up that's trying to get somewhere. I'm just saying. Okay. On other business. So today we're gonna do small upgrade, nothing really big, more aesthetic than anything. We're going to talk about these. Now you see I have mine nicely coming out of here. Typical thing right here, zip ties. Is it okay? Yeah, it's okay. Is it the best thing smoking? Not really, all right? That itself has had me contemplate doing a coil pack upgrade just for the aesthetic look alone, but I'm not gonna do it. So what do we have here? We have, of course, some quality ass American-made billet parts by MPC. So we're gonna go over what I'm going to install, but first we're gonna look at a couple of options that people typically use. We already looked at one being the zip ties. The other option is sometimes we get these, all right, made by Moroso, really for V8s, but of course we know V8s have 4 cylinders on each side, so we'll take one of these, put that on there, separates the wires quite a bit. Doesn't really give an aesthetically great look, but definitely a better look than spaghetti junction. And of course we just went over zip ties, hopefully not this color, hopefully use black. But what I have here is supposed to be a way better option, and that's what we're gonna see. So I already have the tool we're gonna need. Number 5 Allen. I cheated, put it through the plastic, it worked. And this. So let's get this off. All right, so let's take this thing out. All right, they sealed it up pretty damn good there. I'm choosing black. They do have we do have other colors. And by the way, these will be available on my website, wolfpackperformance.net, in other colors. I believe blue, polished aluminum, kind of like the raw aluminum. Of course, black, purple, gold, and red. No greens yet, no oranges, none of that stuff yet, but those colors are available. You can go to wolfpackperformance.net, order you one if you like how this looks today. So we're gonna go ahead, take these out of here. All right, not too long. You know, it's not bad right there. Shouldn't take you long to put them in, take them out. Take these over, of course, take something so we can put on the car. I hate to ruin the paint, although I'm gonna redo that. What is something we're gonna talk about as well. So let's go here. Oh, we also need some snips, but I'll get those in a moment. Matter of fact, let me get them now. Snips. All right, right here I got my parts. Glove protecting the paint, and we'll put the snips right there. We're gonna go ahead and snip off. I think I'm gonna go ahead first and snip off. I'm just gonna snip them both off. Let's just do that. You can always replace them, so just snip them both. Be sure you don't snip your damn plugs. All right, they do need to stay insulated. All right, there we go. Got those removed. Now let's see how this, let's do some mock-up fitting first. Thinking that I want MPC this way or that way. Thinking aesthetically it looks better this way. And then we need to decide how far up we want to be, how far back we want to be. So I'm thinking right in here, as these start to loom out into their bends, maybe we should come further up. Right here. I'm thinking that might be all right. Maybe we need to do some repositioning of these damn wires. So let's go ahead and sandwich the back part on, putting these wires in perspective of their location. Just drag them down. And they're in there. Now we'll flip it, take the socket heads, put those in there, take the Allen, nothing too crazy right now, just kind of make sure we get the threads in, make sure nothing's pinching. Now we can go ahead and tighten them up pretty good. Just make sure before we get real tight that we are how we want to be. See, that's something that we need to pay attention to. So now you see that the part actually being on here, it kind of turned the wire. So with that being said, is this something that we fix here by adjusting these? No. So really what we may end up doing is turning these wires to make sure that they're putting the tension the right way to where we can see that here. Or is it going to be something that we're going to have to come up here and put this on closer to here as it comes out of this area, is what I'm wondering. Maybe right here will not work, and here as it comes out kind of gives a straighter look. So let's try that. So really all we need to do is loosen this up a tad, hopefully, and just slide it up. Now that's something that we could do right there, and aesthetically it looks good right there. You see right there coming out of the NPC spark plug cover, coming out right here, and then bam, we come right into this, which kind of fans us out this way, if that's something you like. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna run it like that, just like that, because anywhere else I'm not too sure I like what's happening. Oh, actually, yeah, but then you lose this right here. So what if we came out of here, did this right there, then had that right there? Maybe that's what we're talking about. So you can play around with it, see how you might like to put it on there. I think I'm gonna end up with it right here and then do these back there. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna talk about this. I am gonna do a giveaway on the Instagram page for one of these. All right, so let's take a look at that. I'm also going to do a giveaway once the YouTube page reaches 1,000 subscribers. So what I'm going to give away, one of these. So it will come with a koozie, got gold and red. All right, and I will also throw some stickers in there as well. Boom. And that is once the Instagram page reaches 20,000 followers, which right now we're about 800 out. And then once the YouTube reaches 1,000 subscribers, I will do a bigger giveaway. So there's something that you can think about for your engine bay. Aside from just zip ties or the Moroso little clips, I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more. And what I will do is put my final decision posted on the Instagram page if you want to check out what I actually ended up doing completely. So other than that, there goes another part, another accessory, something aesthetically you can do to the engine bay. Like I say, subscribe, like, do anything you want to do. Fuck what other people say, just build it.